The previous battery only lasted 2 years, so we tried this one instead, but I'll show you a full step-by-step battery replacement, which batteries you can use and what to expect after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Now I must apologize because my camera decided to stop recording the rest of the removal. But once you have the positive off, the bracket comes off with these two nuts here, and then the battery can be removed. Now to fit a bigger battery, there's a stopper at the bottom of the tray which you can simply pull out. The trick is here to match the height of the previous battery, otherwise the bracket won't fit. So I'll share some info on these batteries a bit later. For now, fit the bracket and then the positive terminal first. I must also mention that the sizes used here only apply to the 1.4 and 1.6 petrol models. For the 1 liter EcoBoost, ST and diesel models, you'll need a bigger battery, but we'll do a separate video on that when the chance presents itself. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. It's also good practice not to slam the terminal onto the post, so rather use a flat screwdriver to extend the clamp. This model had a parasitic draw of 220 milliamps, which isn't major but will affect the battery lifespan over the long term. I'll share a video link at the end on how to extend battery life. The last step is to connect the negative terminal, but make sure to push it far enough down onto the battery post. The 40 amp hour is more than adequate in most cases, but if you're struggling to get 2 years out of your battery, it might be worth upgrading to this 50 amp hour enhanced flooded battery, which is the biggest size that will fit in this tray. There were no warning lights on startup and a radio code isn't required. You'll just need to set the time and date. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.